Well, looking down the parking lot here. Parking lot, roadway here is all bare. A few cars out there with some snow still on their hoods. But overall, just a wet day now. Bit of fog. Well, here it is, April 5th, Friday morning, and you can see by the look of the road here, there's no snow on the roads, they're bare. Sidewalks are bare. It's approximately 4 degrees Celsius. That's about, what, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And I would say the big snowstorm we had yesterday that creeped upon us is over. We're supposed to get light rain today and tomorrow. And then Monday, up somewhere close to 15 degrees Celsius. So that would be 65, 66 Fahrenheit. And we're supposed to get that total eclipse. So hopefully I'll be able to film that somewhat. Probably you can still see it better on the news, on your television. But I will try and film that and see how it comes out with me. Well, yellow light, I'll make it. Oh yeah, there's nothing left now for snow here. Look at things are bare. Just damp and wet out. Well, folks, I think that's going to be the end of the video. It was just a short little update to show you that we had snow yesterday and it was kind of crappy out. I didn't go out anywhere. And today, just a wet event. And the snow's slowly going away by the rain. It's just a light, misty rain right now. But it's above freezing, and tomorrow's supposed to be, again, the same thing, above freezing and rain. And then Sunday, or Monday, it's going to be like summer again, almost. 15 degrees. That's quite warm around this time of the year. I mean, that's just, say, 65, 66 Fahrenheit. So it'll be warm out. Anyways, until then, I'll see ya.